Welcome to the second episode of our lesson. We are continuing from where we ended. Now we know how to select our sheet, that's the workspace, and we know how to give it a color. So today we are going to add something new. So today's lesson is more of shape drawing. Shape drawing. So we are going to give our working space order, then we will add shapes to the working space. So let's get started. Okay, now this is our working space. We have given it a color already. So we want to add a rectangle and a square. So first of all, before we add the rectangle and the square, we want to draw borders for the working space. So I'll just go and choose my rectangle tool and then draw my border. Okay. 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 Make sure that the borders have the same size, so you can just see to it that the borders are of the same size. Give it a color of your choice. Give it a color of your choice. So let me resize it. Something like this. They are almost the same. Then here too. Okay. Now we have given the working space borders. Now you can see that the work has actually transformed a little bit. For the borders, you can give it a color of your choice, but me, I'm maintaining this white. Then I'll go on and add my rectangle. This is my rectangle, and then this is my square, and then let me add a circle, and this is my circle. This is my circle, and then let me add a line. Okay. So give your shapes a color of your choice. So you go, then you move straight to color overlay. Then you give it a color of your choice. I need something like green. Let me give this one to color overlay. Let me give this one blue. Okay. Then let me give my circle to okay, let me maintain my red, and for the line. For the line, let me give it black. Okay, now we have been able to give our working space borders. Now we have added shapes onto the working space. Now we have added new thing. Graphic design is more of shapes. We design everything using shapes. So we are starting from the preliminary. That's why we are moving step by step. So this ends today's lesson. So your assignment is reopen your PSD format. That is the assignment you submitted. I asked you to save it in a JPEG and a PSD. So open the PSD one. It will continue from where I started from. Then add your shapes. Add rectangle, a square, a circle, and a line. Give it a color of your choice. Then submit it for grading. Thank you all. See you in the next lesson. Bye.